Alright, folks, the big bad Galaxy phone has officially landed. Meet the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung's latest do-it-all flagship that starts at a wallet-pinching $1,299, seeing us last year. It's got a tougher display, a camera upgrade with cool editing tricks, and the latest Qualcomm chip running the show and AI. It's literally everywhere. Last year's Galaxy S24 series was all about introducing Samsung's AI magic, and now the S25 Ultra is here to prove they're leading the pack, at least for now, leaving Apple and even Google in the dust when it comes to features. But how much that matters depends on how much you actually care about AI. I've been testing the S25 Ultra for 3 days, and my feelings are complicated. This is Samsung's fifth take on the Ultra lineup, and while it's got shiny new tricks, the year-over-year changes feel, let's just say, modest. That said, if you're rocking a phone that's 3 or 4 years old, this might just feel like a game changer. Unboxing the S25 Ultra, my first thought was, wow, this is the fanciest calculator ever. And I mean that as a compliment. It's big, bold, and tall, with rounded edges that scream premium. Compared to the OnePlus 13 I recently reviewed, which is similar in size, the S25 Ultra feels more striking. It's also lighter and thinner than last year's model, shaving off 16 grams to become the slimmest Galaxy S Ultra ever. Cue the thinnification trend you'll be hearing all year. Samsung also gave the display a boost with Corning Gorilla Armor 2 for better drop and scratch protection, and so far, my unit has stayed scratch-free, something I definitely can't say about last year's model. Now, about the colors. They're safe. Too safe. Black, white, silver, boring. Samsung, can we please bring back the psychedelic Aura Glow vibes? Until then, you might want to grab a case if you want your phone to have any personality. The S25 Ultra is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, and its biggest flex is artificial intelligence. With a 40% boost in NPU performance, on-device AI features are snappier, smarter, and use less power. Case in point, I tried the new generative edit tool, which removes photo subjects and their shadows with freakish accuracy. It's fast, like, did I just imagine that? Fast. Samsung's also replaced Bixby with a new Gemmy Bixby hybrid assistant, which feels way more natural and conversational. Think, what's my favorite team schedule? Followed by add the dates to my calendar, all in one smooth exchange. It works best with Google and Samsung apps, but also plays nice with Spotify and a few others. And Samsung's new AI tools, pretty slick. iSelect adjusts to what's on your screen, and now Brief gives you daily rundowns of the weather, your schedule, and top news. Handy little features that just work. Now, let's talk cameras. On paper, the S25 Ultra specs haven't changed much. The big update. A new 50 megapixels ultra-wide lens, up from 12 megapixels, which shines in macro shots and adds more detail and vibrancy. Otherwise, you're looking at the same 200 megapixels wide, 50 megapixels 5x telephoto, and 10 megapixels 3x telephoto lenses from last year. But the software is where Samsung's really stepped it up. Default 10-bit HDR video for a wider dynamic range. Audio eraser to adjust frequencies in videos. And Galaxy Log mode for better post-edit control. These features might not sound thrilling, but they're super useful once you dive in. So, after a few days with the S25 Ultra, here's my takeaway. It's a solid phone with thoughtful upgrades, but nothing earth-shattering. Samsung's playing it safe, maybe too safe, with iterative updates. And yeah, I miss the Bluetooth S Pen features they've quietly dropped. But if you're coming from an S21, Pixel 6 or 7, or an older iPhone, this phone delivers on just about every front. Enthusiasts might feel underwhelmed, but for most people, it's a total win. So, what do you think? Is the S25 Ultra your next phone, or are you holding out for something better? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.